Waste cleanup strategies are crucial for addressing environmental contamination and ensuring public health and safety. Various methods and technologies have been developed to manage and remediate different types of waste, ranging from pharmaceuticals and hazardous chemicals to biomedical and municipal solid waste. There remain challenges associated with the removal of pharmaceuticals from aquatic systems, emphasizing the limitations of existing methods due to toxic sludge generation, incomplete removal, and high costs. Similarly, emphasize the complexity of the cleanup process, stressing the need for tailored strategies based on the level of contamination and site characteristics. Furthermore, underscored the urgency of effective cleanup strategies for mismanaged plastic waste in the global ocean. In the context of hospital waste management, emphasized the importance of sustainable practices to mitigate the harmful effects of hospital waste. Additionally, highlighted the integral role of biomedical waste management in healthcare systems, emphasizing the social and legal responsibility of all stakeholders in ensuring safe and sustainable practices. Furthermore, waste management in the aerospace industry was addressed by who emphasized the need for waste allocation strategies that balance economic and environmental considerations. In the realm of environmental remediation, discussed the application of advanced technologies such as nanotechnology for the removal of per- and polyfluoroalkyl substances from contaminated environments. Moreover, it was highlighted the potential of nanobioremediation and bioremediation techniques for restoring polluted soils, underscoring their effectiveness while acknowledging energy intensity and waste residue challenges. The financial and regulatory aspects of waste management were addressed by who discussed the implications of waste management policies and compliance with EU directives, emphasizing the need for feasible and financially viable waste treatment technologies. Additionally, emphasized the attractiveness of bioremediation as a successful technique for cleaning polluted environments, highlighting its potential to remove toxic waste. In conclusion, waste cleanup strategies encompass a wide array of methods and technologies tailored to specific types of waste and environmental contexts. These strategies are essential for addressing contamination, protecting public health, and ensuring sustainable environmental management. Let's work towards making the world a better place. Thanks for viewing this micro-learning video.